Imagine a world where physicality and digital spaces merge, crafting objects of any shape, size, and complexity. This once distant dream is now our reality with the advent of 3D printing technology. Our tale unfolds in the 1980s, marking the birth of the first 3D printed object, a pivotal moment that revolutionized the future of manufacturing. Tracing the historical development of 3D printing reveals its journey from prototyping to producing final products in diverse industries such as aerospace and healthcare. Presently, the applicability of 3D printing is immense, supporting small businesses and entrepreneurs in generating passive income, thereby reshaping the manufacturing domain and offering new avenues for creative monetization. Envision a realm where earning extends beyond traditional work hours, welcoming you to the world of passive income. Instead of navigating through the conventional pathways of investments or real estate, what if the key lay in a groundbreaking tool like 3D printing? This segment unfurls the concept of passive income, illustrating how, unlike conventional methods that often require significant capital or contend with market instability, 3D printing emerges as a more accessible venture. Let's delve into how this technology enables individuals to transform ideas into profitable products from their own homes. We're set to explore the empowering potential of 3D printing in crafting passive income streams, presenting an unhindered gateway for tech enthusiasts, entrepreneurs, and anyone with a flair for creativity. In this era of rapid technological evolution, 3D printing stands out as a beacon of innovation, inviting keen minds to explore passive income opportunities. Imagine designing, creating, and selling a wide array of products, all within the comfort of your home. This segment dives into how 3D printing opens up a spectrum of possibilities, from simple household items to complex artistic endeavors, all ripe with the potential for profit. Each creation begins with an idea, morphing into reality through the interplay of creativity and technology. As we look at examples of successful ventures, the path to launching your 3D printing enterprise becomes clearer, guiding you towards making your mark in the digital creation space. Taking the plunge into generating passive income with 3D printing begins with critical initial steps. The selection of the appropriate 3D printer, which hinges on your objectives, budget, and material preferences. This choice is fundamental, setting the stage for crafting products that resonate in the marketplace. Designing your inaugural product invites both excitement and reflection. Aim for simplicity with a touch of uniqueness, addressing a need or solving a problem. By pairing your design with compatible software, your first creation becomes more than a product. It's a stepping stone for future, intricate designs. Effective marketing of your products is essential. Utilize various platforms to accentuate the unique aspects and stories of your creations, engaging with your audience to foster growth and improvement opportunities. Our exploration through the realm of 3D printing has illuminated its vast potential for generating passive income. From its inception to the innovative applications of today, we've observed how it empowers both entrepreneurs and hobbyists. As we stand at the cusp of our journey, it becomes clear that 3D printing is more than a tool. It's a catalyst for unlocking your latent potential. By embracing the learning curve and leveraging resources like online tutorials and communities, you can embark on a path to mastery and profit. Let this knowledge propel you into action. The future beckons not just for technological breakthroughs, but for your initiative to sculpt your destiny with 3D printing. Dive into this vibrant world and let your adventure in innovation, creativity, and financial empowerment begin.